Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to lock the Photos app on Android with a different password. If you want to lock the Photos app on Android with the different password, so let's see how can I do this. Basically there's no any built-in function of Photos app to lock with a different password. So for this we have to install a third-party app. So look for Play Store, open it, and here go to search. And search bar, you just have to search for App Locker. Just search for it, and here you just have to select anyone. As I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and then it will be installed on your phone. And after that, you'll be able to lock your Photos app. Just wait for installation. After the installation, you just have to open the app. Just tap on open, and it will be open in your phone. And here you have to do some setup of this app. First, you have to enter a passcode. As I am going to enter this one, so just select it, then tap on create. Then you have to verify your passcode, and after that tap on save. And here you have to permit some permissions. Here you have to look for app lock, select it, then allow, and then tap on second permit app. Here you have to allow. Now go back and allow all settings. Here you have to look for Photos app. Look for Photos app and look for any app which you want to lock. As I'm going to lock this one, so just tap on the lock option and it will go to the locks. So that's how you can lock Photos app on Android with a different password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.